Hello, today is, what is today? Friday, August 10th, 2018. Just out here at my favorite little park bench with this little Sanyo M7790. Okay. This is the AM and FM version right there. As I just let you briefly see the top of it here. It's got full bass and treble. Okay. And it has those features there. It has a full complement of line in and line out, as well as two microphones and two headphone jacks for sharing like that. And then, if you set the counter, whoops, let's see here, set the counter, hit record. So we're recording now. As I talk, you can see me talk, sounding off on the thing there. I'm going to pick it up here and talk to the input end. So I'm talking to the input end right here real close to the microphone to make sure I get hopefully a good stereo separation without microphones, just like that, and then set it down and then pick it up to the other end here and show you the input end, or the not the input, the AC input, where it takes seven C batteries for 10.5 volts. Okay, and then I'll just see here, show you the back right here. That's the back. Okay, and then of course we flip it to radio, we can record from the radio, right? So here, let's put the antenna up. Okay. Well, and that's AM.
Sound reason to think Jesus could.
Back to FM. Alright, well, I didn't come out here to stop and put that back on the stereo. Okay, so let's hit rewind. Rewind. Back to 0. Okay, so there we go, hit play. So we're recording now. As I talk, you can see me talk, sounding off on the thing there. I'm going to pick it up here and talk to the input end. So I'm talking to the input end right here real close to the microphone to make sure I get hopefully a good stereo separation without microphones, just like that, and then set it down and then pick it up to the other end here and show you the input end, or not the input, the AC input, where it takes seven C batteries for 10.5 volts. Okay, and then I'll just show you the back right here. That's the back. Okay, and then of course we flip it to radio, we can record from the radio, right? So see, we went all the way up to 19, right? So
To think Jesus could.
Alright, so it doesn't record terribly well, but I'm not interested in recording with these radios all that much, as I am playing my own cassettes here, like this one. And if you want to rewind back to the beginning of your song, you just set it on there like that, and I'll come back to the beginning and start over playing. Nice feature. Anyway, and that's how that works. If I fast forward it, beyond that song. Okay. Let's see here. Hit play. Tell it to fast forward to the next song. I don't know when the next song is, but there we go. Okay, I don't want to sell that music, but anyway, you see it works. Doesn't record terribly well. The radio kind of sort of works. That's all I know about this radio, but plays tapes really well. Okay, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. It's for sale. Thank you. This comes with the box, by the way.